This is what an AR-15 sounds like.
Now those are single shots. If I wanted to fire this on full semi-automatic, all I do is keep firing. Now I won't probably hit the target when I do this, when we look at the target later on, but I'm going to fire about 5 shots.
Okay. It's a weapon designed to inflict maximum damage.
In my personal opinion, you have to receive a whole lot of training to use this weapon, and this weapon in the wrong hands can be more dangerous than most weapons because of its capability to do a lot of damage in a short period of time and be irreversible.